Hi everyone, Architect Mai here. In this lesson, we are going to look at some of the most important and basic tools of modeling. Let's start right away by selecting the default cube and hit the button to switch to the tab button and switch to the edit mode. We are now into the editing mode. Guess you can see we have lots of tools, but if you don't know what they mean, then that's not gonna be super helpful. Let's see the names of these tools by pulling out this little a little bit. Let's pull it. Yes, we can now see the names of each tool. And we are going to start with the extrude tool as we extrude the region. This is the extrude tool. If you see this small box, it means that there are other tools within that. And if you click on it, you'll find out that there are other options inside it. Now 3D modeling is pretty cool because some of the techniques have no real analogy to the real world and wouldn't make sense if we are working with physical materials. But since we are just going with the vertex, edges and faces, we have a lot of flexibility on how we work. What the extrude tool does, like I said, we are going to start with the extrude tool. So what it does, it creates a copy, moves it, and then attaches it back to the original. So let's try it out by selecting the edges, and the hotkey for selecting edges is you press 2 on your keyboard. So let's try it out. Remember, these are what we call points. These are edges, and this is what we call the surface. So this is what we call the surface. So if I try to pull it out, we say the extrude tool creates a copy, moves it, and attaches it to the original. This is what I meant. If I select it, it creates a copy, attaches it to the original, as you can see. So if I try to zoom in, let's see the faces. That's what we've been doing. To cancel out any extrusion, you press the escape button, but cancelling it will only cancel the movement, but the face will remain. And to see this, let's use the move tool. So for instance, if I extrude this section, maybe here, so if I drag it, you can as well just press E on your keyboard to extrude the object. So if I drag it and I realize I don't need this, I just hit the escape button on my keyboard and it goes back. But like I've said, cancelling it to cancelling it will only cancel the movement, but the face will remain. So if I use the move tool, you can see that the extruded section is still there. So the right way to cancel out anything in Blender, you just press Ctrl Z. Just press Ctrl Z to set it backwards. Yeah. So like I've said, these tools have got other additional tools within them. If you go to scale, there are other options within it. If you go to loop, there are other tools within it. So let's meet in the next video where we shall learn how the extrude tool works. We are going to be looking at each tool, or the most important tools, how they work. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like.